Hi everybody, Nan Diane here. I'm going to share with you the way I can fry chicken strips that are so good and so easy you won't believe it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using the chicken. Remember I bought a rotisserie chicken from Costco in one of my videos, and I showed you how I broke it up and used it for different things. This is the chicken breast. It's not the whole chicken breast because, you know, chicken breast has two sides, right and left. So this is the only one side of it. So when I cut it up and used it for different things, this is one side of a chicken breast. So you see, I cut this in strips. Now they're already cooked, ready to eat. So we don't have to worry about that. We're just gonna lightly brown them. What I do is, I have egg, and I mix just a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of water with my eggs instead of milk. And I'm just gonna roll it just like this. Roll it into my flours, just like that. Now, I use avocado oil. It's my favorite. The reason I like avocado oil is because it doesn't burn, doesn't brown. Olive oil you can only heat up to 400 degrees and then it starts smelling and not good. But anyway, I just take this and put it in there. Just like that. And I'm going to do all of these. I'm going to turn them one time because, like I said, they're already cooked. And I'm using just plain old flour. I do use self-rising flour. I think this that I've got right now is King Arthur. Anyway, like I say, these are already fully cooked, so I'm not cooking them. I'm just browning, crusting them and browning them. And turn them one time. Now, out of one chicken breast, off of that fully cooked rotisserie chicken, I'm getting, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strips. And there's just 2 of us, so that's more than plenty. But even on a big family, you could probably cut them into thinner pieces and get more. Okay, this is my last one. Okay, so now what I want to do is I'm going to take some salt and I'm going to lightly sprinkle salt on them, just like that. Okay? I'm going to turn them one time. One time only. Now, how brown you get them is up to you. I don't like them real brown. So I got my plate ready. Paper towel in the plate. I'm going to turn this. It's very fast. And if you keep your temperature fairly low, your chicken will not get tough. It'll still be real tender. Can you see how that's browning? Oh, we could use a little bit more oil in that. I think I have mine turned down a little bit too low, so I'm going to turn it up. Now, I'll give you a tip while it's cooking. I keep my flour in a glass jar. I keep everything in a glass jar. Don't like plastic. Don't like plastic particles. I just don't like them. To me, it's nasty. So, anyway, I always keep it in a plastic jar, and it lasts forever. I've never had bugs to get in them. I need this a little bit closer where you can see a little bit better here. While my kitchen is set up, it's hard for me to get the camera right on it unless I've got somebody holding it for me. See, they're frying nicely. Like I say, they're already cooked. Smells like fried chicken. There's one piece already done. You might like yours a little bit browner than that. And I probably do too, but for sake of time. This sure beats cutting up and handling all that raw chicken. I hate doing that. And anyway, I don't know if you could see me salt it earlier, but I'm going to put a little bit more salt on it. A little bit more salt. I'm going to do it right before I take it up, so that way I've already flipped it and I'm not flipping it back in the grease, which will take the salt off of it. The salt will still be on it. I used the wrong size pan too. I am not cooking it. Only browning. Look at that. Perfect. Ready to eat. And we will. It's crusty. It's coated. And it's fully cooked. Okay, there you have it. How's that look? Very quick. There again, it was already cooked. I just sliced it, browned it, and fried it. I hope you like this. I hope you'll subscribe to me. I hope you'll leave me a comment. I hope you will invite your friends. And above all, try it. I think you'll like it. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and you have a blessed day.